Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add music to your Facebook profile. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, this works for both iOS and Android users. So what you first need to do is open up your Facebook app on your phone. And then from here, you want to click on the hamburger looking icon, top right hand corner. And then from here, you want to tap on the settings icon, top right hand corner of your screen. And then from here, you want to scroll down a bit, and where it says profile details under audience and visibility, click into profile details. And then from here, scroll down again, and where it says music, click on add music. And then click on the plus icon, top right hand corner, to add a music track in. Alright, so you can search for music or artists. So I'm going to search for Eminem. Alright, I'm going to add in the Real Slim Shady. So to do that, now what you want to do here is tap on the three horizontal dots next to the song. And then click on select the Real Slim Shady. Now that's selected. I'll do that again. Select the Real Slim Shady. Alright, the Real Slim Shady is now selected. Now click on to cancel. And now go back again. And then under music, your song will be selected there. And what you want to do from here is tap and hold. And then click on the three dots and then click on pin to profile. And what that does is pins it to your profile on Facebook. Alright, and now I'm going to head back to my profile. And there you go, that's how you put a song on your Facebook profile. Alright, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful.